Looking for the best hobby drones? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 hobby drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. MOTA JETJAT, Live WFPV Quadcopter Hobby Drone with Live Stream HD Camera. Pros: can live stream video from built-in camera. Comes with a bonus set of propellers, USB cable, status light and JETJAT pilot manual. Flies with an app, not a controller. Cons: short flight time at just 8 minutes. Video isn't HD quality, and app is unreliable, creating issues with use. Bottom line: solid choice for intermediate and advanced drone hobbyists due to its mid-range price and features. At number 2. Holy Stone, F181RC Quadcopter Drone with HD Camera. Pros: headless security and anti-interference system keep the drone stabilized in flight, even in windy conditions. Strong, solid motor and easy to master controls. Cons: flying time is only 5 to 7 minutes while battery takes 60 to 80 minutes to charge. Also has issues with circuit board overheating. Bottom line: best-selling hobby drone at an appealing price point, is perfect for beginning and advanced flyers. At number 1. DJI Spark Palm Launch Intelligent Portable Mini Drone. Pros: shoots photos and HD video from built-in camera. Sensors keep the drone stable in flight, and longer battery life provides 16 minutes of flight time. Very small and lightweight. Cons: software glitches and GPS issues recur. Batteries also can malfunction, even when fully charged, creating crashes. Bottom line: sturdy, feature-laden hobby drone offers top-of-the-line flight stability for the serious drone user. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.